To connect your fourth-generation Nest thermostat to Alexa, you'll need to complete a few prerequisites and follow a specific setup process. First, ensure your Nest thermostat is already connected to the Google Home app, and you have an Amazon Alexa device set up with the Alexa app. Both apps should be installed on your phone. Step 1. Open the Google Home app on your phone. Tap the plus icon to add a new service, then select Service from the menu options. Step 2. Choose Amazon Alexa skill from the service options. Accept the terms and conditions, then proceed to link your Google account with your Alexa account. Step 3. In the Alexa app, enable the Google Nest skill. Then discover your devices by saying Alexa, discover devices, or you can do this through the Alexa app interface. Once connected, you can control your thermostat using voice commands. Simply say Alexa, set your thermostat name to your desired temperature. If Alexa cannot find your Nest thermostat, try disabling and re-enabling the Google Nest skill in the Alexa app. This often resolves connection issues. The fourth-generation Nest brings advanced artificial intelligence that learns your daily routines and temperature preferences to automatically optimize your home's climate control. Matter compatibility is a game changer, allowing your Nest thermostat to work seamlessly with multiple smart home platforms, including Apple Home, Amazon Alexa, and Samsung SmartThings. Complete control is now available through the Google Home app, eliminating the need to switch between multiple applications for thermostat management. The redesigned second-generation Nest temperature sensor allows precise climate control across different rooms, with support for up to 6 sensors per thermostat system. Looking ahead, expect enhanced artificial intelligence for energy management, improved smart home interoperability, more seamless voice commands, and greater focus on reducing energy costs and environmental impact.